if you want to take macro photos on Xiaomi 17T Pro, then once you open the camera in the photo mode, if you open this additional panel, you should be able to find super macro, which we can easily activate. Now, unfortunately, we need to keep quite a bit of a distance between the subject that we want to photograph and our camera, but then we should be able to take the photo quite easily. So if you can keep the image sharp, then you should be able to take the photo, and then here we have results. It's not really that great, to be honest. I personally don't really like the super macro mode. If you don't like it as well, you can turn it off, and we can use a different trick. So without the super macro mode, you can just simply point at the subject with just a bit of the distance, and then you can use the zoom. So there we go, and then you should be able to take a pretty decent macro photo, even better than the one with the super macro mode enabled. Of course, you don't want to use too much zoom because you will lose the quality. Also, you don't want to keep the camera too close because, as you can see, we will not be able to take a sharp image. But we don't have to move that much far away from the subject to take a pretty decent macro photo. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.